Hi everyone, welcome back to another scammer catching video. Today we're here with 466. Oh, she just unbuddied me. Guys, she just unbuddied me. Okay, she scammed Kiwi. She scammed Kiwi, guys. Oh my god, I need to take a picture. She just scammed Kiwi and unbuddied me. Oh, guys, please report her. Guys, please report her. It's 466. It's 466. Please report her. Please report her. She scammed Kiwi of her tail armor and wouldn't give it back. So please report her. I know this is a quick video, but please, Kiwi has been through so much, and this arsehole just decided to do that, and I still can't believe her. She scammed her, and that made Kiwi want to quit. So please report her. Please report 466. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.